Imagine this. A 65-year-old man is vacationing in Hawaii. While driving to his hotel, he gets injured in an accident and is taken to the hospital. Because he is unconscious, he is not able to provide any information regarding his medical conditions to doctors. Since it takes time for doctors to run tests to confirm his blood group and other medical conditions, there is an excessive loss of blood and he dies. Now consider the same situation, but now upon arrivals, doctors enter his name into the computer, into the database, and find his medical record. The medical record contains all the information such as his blood group, his past and present illnesses, and even the medications he's on. With all this information, doctors can start the treatment quickly and save his life. All this is possible because of health information technology. Hello, my name is Suparna Sharma and I'm pursuing an associate degree in health information technology. Health information technology is a fairly new field. So today I'm going to tell you all about this field in detail. First of all, what is health information technology? Health information technology, according to American Health Information Management Association, is referred to as the framework used to manage health information and the exchange of health information in digital form. In simple words, it is the electronic version of your health record. Because it is electronic, doctors can access your health information across practices or even across states. An EHR contains all your medical information and it is readily available for doctors to see. It saves time and money by eliminating the need of duplicate tests and medication errors. Now the next thing is, how can you become a registered health information technologist? To become an RHIT, you need to complete an associate degree from an accredited program such as the one we have at Santa Fe, and after completion you sit for the certification examination to earn your RHIT. There are several other certifications that you can earn, about 9 or 10 of them, but some require some experience before you sit for the certification exam. Now that you know about RHIT, let's see what are the job prospects. According to Department of Labor, there will be 22% increase in the employment in this field, which is much faster than the national average. RHITs work in different settings, such as hospitals, physician's office, clinics, and even insurance companies. You can choose different niches such as coding, billing, documentation, privacy, and security, so you never get bored. Health information technology will be very useful for this exploration on the move. Let's say if somebody gets sick, we will need to consult doctors on Earth for the treatment, and this can be done through an EHR. Electronic health record, or EHR, can transfer X-ray images or all the other diagnostic results to doctors anywhere in the world. Health IT is an important field. It is growing and it will be essential in future, not only on Earth, it will be very useful on the moon too. Thank you.